Okay, so I'm going to pick up where we were off. So we recalibrated our data. So this is our recalibrated data. Okay, and again, when we did the summary statistics, this was the mean of our original data. The hypothesis had a mean of 400, so we had a difference of 10.71429. So we made, a calculation where we subtracted that. And then again, if I check my mean of this recalibrated data, it should be what I want. And if it's not, then you shifted the wrong way. Okay. So I shifted it. Okay. So I went from a higher number, this 410 here. Let me put it here, and then I'll put you this way over here. So if you think of a normal distribution, right? We're here. I'm shoving this back. So when I do that, and I don't know if I can write in this or not, but we'll try it. So we have, ooh, yay. All right. So we have that one and we have that one. Oh boy, these are bad, but in theory. So this, okay, I'm going to shift this way. So this is going to be my new tail when I shift. So this is going to be 410.714. I think it's a 29. I can't see very well. Okay, when I shift. And then my mean's going to be here at 400. Now, if I need to do a less than, or maybe a two-tailed test, I would subtract, because everything's symmetric, I would subtract that, what is it, 10.714. I think, again, it's a 29. And that would give me this cutoff over here. All right, so I'm going to go to, oh boy, let me see if I can get back to just a mouse. That might have been a bad idea. All right, I'm going to pause and see if I can get back to a mouse. Okay, I had to redo a few things here, so that's why it might look a tad different. All right, so I'm going to go over here to applets. I'm going to go to resampling. I'm going to do a bootstrap. I'm going to pick my recalibrated data. I'm going to hit compute. And maybe I do this, I don't know, 5,000 times. Okay. So then I go to this menu bar in the bottom that looks like a little hamburger, do dividers, hit percent, and hit OK. All right. So say that we think balls are going farther than they have in the past. All right. So when we did the math, we said it would be at what, 410, because this is the data we got, right? Like we think that this is kind of the new normal, so to speak. And if you double click on the divider, I can put in exactly 410, and we think what, 410.71429? And then hit OK or compute. And then your other divider is going off to infinity for your tail. So if you look, the percent up here is 2.4%. So that would be 0.024, which would be your p-value, which is less than 0.05. So again, if you're over here, you would, fail to reject. Boy, writing with a mouse is not fun. And then over here, you would reject. So remember, if the p-value is low, the null must go. And our p-value is 0.024. And that is less than an alpha level of, oops, whoa, I have no idea what happened there. There you go, 0.05. So we would say that there's evidence to suggest that the balls do go further in the thin air at whatever the Coors Stadium or whatever we were looking at. All right, I hope that helps. If not, let me know, and we can do more in class, or I can help you outside of class. So take care. Have a good night.